Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. As we have discussed in the last class how to find candidate key, super keys and all the topic have covered. So today we will solve some previous year UGC NET question based on that topic. See, this is a question from June 2014. The relation they have given, that is A, B, C, D, E, and these are the attribute. Okay. Now the question is, let the relation A, B, C, D, E, F be the relational schema with the following dependencies. So these are the functional dependencies they have given: C to F, E to A, EC to D, and A to B. The question is, which one of the following is a key? I already explained you. If they will ask you to find the key is nothing but the candidate key. Okay. Now, how to find the candidate key? So here you will find the closure of all the four. And now find closure of all the four, and if you will get all the element of the relation on right hand side, then you can say that that is a candidate key. So let us solve this question. The first they have given, that is CD. So let us solve for CD. The closure of CD is first of all CD. Okay. Then you can see from C I can get F. So here from C I will get F. Then further E we don't have. Okay. Then even we don't have EC also. है ना? We don't have. We have only C, and even we don't have A. So if we will find the closure of CD, we will get only this much. Now let us find the closure of EC. If we will find the closure of EC, so first of all we will write EC itself. After that C we have. So from C I can get F. So from C I can get F. Then further you can see from E we can get A also. We have E, right? So from E we can get A also. And then from A even we can get B. So write down here, from A we can get B. And we have both E and C. So from EC even we will get D also. Okay, so from this one even we will get D also. So here you can see A, B, C, D, E, F. We will get all the element on right hand side which is there in the relation. So I can say the correct answer for this question is option B. You can check for AE and EC also. For that you will not get all the elements. If you want, I'll solve it. A, the closure of A. What is the closure of A? First of all, A itself. Then from A I can get B. So I'll write here B. That's all. Now from E even we can get A, but A is already there. Okay, so from E, A will get only A, B. Right, so this cannot be the candidate key. So the correct answer is option B. Now let us check for the last option also, AC. If we find the closure of AC, first of all we will get AC itself. From A we will get B. So I'll write here B. And from C we will get F. Okay. So here we'll get B, and from C we will get F also. Further we will not get. Okay. So the correct answer for this question is option B. Okay. There is one more trick that you can follow to find a candidate key faster. See, you should check on right hand side. You should check on right hand side. Okay. The element which is not present at right hand side, that element will definitely be included in the candidate key. This is one trick to find this question faster. Okay. Now further, this is your next question, December 2014. Here also they ask you to find the minimal key. See, if you remember, like I already explained, the question will be find a key, find a candidate key, find a minimal key. I've included all the three questions like that only. So identify the minimal key for relational schema A, B, C, D, E with the functional dependency given. Now here, find the closure for A first of all. And option A. If we find the closure of A, we will get A. From A, we will get B. From B, we will get C. And from AC, we will get D. So we get all the element, okay, from this one. But what was our point? When you can say that the term is candidate key, all the element of the relation should be present, not functional dependency. So here you can see E is not present, but E is even not present here also. So in that case, what we should do? In that case, we will apply augmentation property. Which property? Augmentation property. I already explained this all in the last videos. Augmentation property, that means if you want E on right hand side, okay, and to find the candidate key, we need E on right hand side. Then it is compulsory for us to add E on left hand side also. Okay, so now if you find the closure of AE, then you will get the correct answer. So the correct answer for this question is option D. You can check for C and D also, you will not get the all attribute A, B, C, D, E. Next is UGC NET December 2015 question. In this question, they have given the relation A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay, and they ask you to find the candidate key. Okay, so here also take the first option, option A. Find the closure of A. The closure of A is first of all A. Then from A, we cannot get anything, right? So that is A only. Then now let us check for AB. If we'll find the closure of AB, we will get AB first of all, reflexive property. Then next from B, I can get C. So from B, we will get C. That's all. Nothing will get extra. Okay. Now let us check for option C, ABC. Let us find the closure of ABC. If we'll find the closure of ABC, first of all, we will get ABC. Okay, then ABC. From B, we will get C, but C is already there. We don't have E to do get. Okay, we don't have D to do this one. We don't have F to do this. So this is also is not the answer. Now let us check for the last one, ABD. If we'll find the closure of ABD, first of all, we'll get ABD itself. Then we have AD. So from AD, we will get E also. From AD, we will get E. And we have B. So from B, even we will get F also. Okay, then B, we even have a B, right? So from B, we will get C also. So you can check A, B, C, D, E, F. We got all the element which is present in the relation. So the correct answer for this question is option D. So this type of question will come in exam. It's very important topic. I already said that functional dependency, finding closures, okay. And even it is important. In the next videos, we will cover normalization. So in that also it is required. So if you like my video, then like my channel, please subscribe my channel. And if any question is there, please write in the comment. Definitely I'll answer. Thank you.